In this video, we're going to walk through all of the settings that you have within your list view. So from your view settings, drop down here, you can see that you can always switch between your Kanban, timeline, and calendar view. But then you have your different list settings, where you can choose if you wanted to group your lists by maybe different things such as assignee or priority or status. Or you can come in here and you can also add additional fields into your list. So let's actually just put this back. We'll group this by section. And then within my fields, maybe I also want to make sure that I see priority. So I can add my priority field in, and then I can also choose if I want to sort by title, status, and all of these different options that I have within here. Like you can see sorting by status here, or you can always sort by none. Now I have the option, as I'm seeing my priority field here, I can very quickly set priority on these different tasks that I have here. And in addition to that, a lot of these tasks are drag and droppable. So if I'm sorted by none and I wanted to see my tasks in a different order, I can simply drag and drop. You can also take tasks and pull them out from underneath of their parent task. And you can now make this subtask a parent task. And then you can always do the opposite where you pull this back in and now it's a subtask within that order.